What up, M&R family? It's your girl Mag.
It's Rush.
But look, man, back with another reaction video.
But look, man, thanks for tuning in with us on this reaction video. But if y'all new to our channel, Mag, let them know how they can be a part of the M&R family.
Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. And if you guys want to stay tuned and drop videos, turn on the notification bell.
Today we got Damn Nature You Scary, Funny, Scary Animal Encounters. But look, man, if there are any other videos y'all want to see us react to on the channel, drop them things down in the comments. But look, man, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. But look, man, let's get to this video.
Let's get to it. I'm really tired. Get out the car. You want to flip it over.
Oh, yeah.
Are he attacking the car, though? Oh, my God. It's liquid falling. They need to get out.
Whoa. And then you got heck of people. Wait, what's going on here? How did it get loose? What? I would have been running.
Y'all just standing there yelling.
I would have been running. I'm talking about leg broke. Would have been fixed that day.
Fence over there.
Huh?
They over the fence over there. They're like, hell
that's
no.
where I would have been, but I would have still been running.
Down the hill all through. I would have been gone.
You would have had to tell me what happened because I would have never saw that with my eyes.
I would have been on your door.
Whoa.
I'd
have been gone.
Ew. Look at the bird.
The duck got that.
Oh, the duck took you out. Oh shit!
Whoa!
Oh no!
What is that?
No! Oh my God!
That's just... Get out!
He sees it. He sees it. Look
Get out!
Oh my God!
Hurry up, bro, cause this finna get you.
He's lucky. Woo! He's lucky.
Touched by an angel. Oh, he finna. Oh! Oh my gosh! Leave him alone. That's not funny.
Hey,
that's not funny.
That's not funny, but it is funny.
Funny, yeah, but
even if, I don't know if that was a parent, but they was like,
I was like, hey, trying to help him, but they was also weak, like
he was gone. At least he didn't fall.
Right. Stop messing with him.
One.
What is that?
That's a snake.
Three. Jesus Christ Almighty.
Ooh.
Snakes. Jesus Christ.
That's crazy.
We got a garfish, dude. Be careful, Evan.
Better be careful, Evan.
Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
You see how fast he was pedaling?
Gator, buddy.
The T called the gator. I would have never even been in that water zone.
Oh!
Tried to take his food.
Man. Oh! Can't be playing with animals like that. Don't leave the baby. What's coming? Oh, it's a snake.
Whoa.
It's coming. He coming.
Dude was moving slow.
Old man was moving hecka
he
slow.
grabbed the stick. I would have been in the house.
I'm not playing. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, at least it didn't go all the way through.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here.
Is that a gator?
Yeah.
Oh, he coming. Oh, he coming. Oh, he coming. Run. Run. Oh, he coming. Oh, he coming.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Get back.
Get back. Oh! What is he doing?
Oh, y'all better get out the way. That's an elephant?
Oh,
Hey, no, that was just funny because you see an
an
elephant
elephant
coming
coming,
the
y'all
size
should've
of a
been
car. Like, you ain't gonna get out the way. I
I'd
then
have
jumped
been
off the boat. What?
Not playing.
Playing with lions is important to never show fear.
Oh! Oh, I thought it's out the
He
gate.
said never show fear, huh?
What is that? What is that?
A baby crocodile, baby gator?
Oh. Oh my gosh, it's gonna get her!
Oh yeah, that little thing quick.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Hey, get away from my youngins. He wasn't even buying them.
He wasn't even buying them.
She was protecting her
babies.
babies. No, they not finna fall.
Oh heck no. They out of pocket.
Come on, keep kicking it.
Oh
I'm so glad I was recording that.
shit. Could not hold y'all.
Got like a big stick or something. Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is.
Hey, me fishing at this point, bruh.
That is not a stick. Oh my god. That's not a stick at all. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Oh my lord, holy moly.
Holy moly.
Wow, that changes things.
Yeah, big.
I'm out of here.
So at that point, do you cut the string or do?
Yeah, something I don't know.
Could you take it off? Cause I don't really know nothing about
go
fishing.
fishing.
But me, I'm telling you, I would have threw the whole fishing
Fishing
pole
rod.
at it. Like, hey man, start the boat, go. I don't know why I'm out here.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
That's me. That's me. But I would have been running. I would have threw the bike and ran.
Hey.
Eat crabs.
Me either.
Just cause they got the claws. Like
I
how you
would
just
think
gonna
his-
swallow it whole. He gonna
Yeah.
cut his way out. Man, if I was a
Took
crab,
that
I would
big
cut
thing.
my way out of there. He got him from the back though.
From the side.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I promise I'm not gonna bug you.
Oh yeah.
I'm not
buddy,
gonna bug
can't-
you. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away.
Hey,
I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
Hell no. Song be like going up in
you don't have
mountains.
nothing to send no type of warning shots. Nothing to send like a no
I'm
type of
not
pop
going.
pop pow pow boom boom. Nothing.
I'm going to
I wouldn't even go out there without nothing. What? What do you do at this point?
Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
Oh,
Oh, he was outside.
outside. I just
Hey.
said, what do you do at this point? Did you hear her?
Yeah, she said I have a gun.
She wasn't playing. That was a big old gator.
Break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
Let him break through that glass if he won't.
Bow, he did.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking on the trail and mom and two cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards. And mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
I would have been running faster than they was walking.
Clever, no? Is clever. Tam leży, widzisz?
What is in his nose?
Dog, is he knocking the other?
Did you see how it slipped out?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Go back!
Nó còn bám miệng rồi đấy nhá. Ui.
Hey, that remind me of that movie. It's like I saw a movie and they was like coming out the toilets.
Yeah.
You know what movie I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You. Oh. Oh.
Can't do it, man.
Ah! No! Get the away! Go away!
Let's all go to the mountain.
Go away!
Ooh.
No!
Did you see that? What's
Wait.
that?
No!
They do that?
You, dude! Holy. Yeah, get the away from me. Face.
What'd he do?
I don't know.
He do something?
I don't know. That was crazy. Whoa.
That was ridiculous.
This was some
That's
crazy
how I go
stuff.
to the mountain, y'all. Exactly
Yeah.
why I'll go to the mountains.
This was crazy. This was a crazy video right here.
Yeah.
Hey, it was a tight video though. But look,
Yeah,
man, if there's
it's
any
crazy.
other videos y'all want to see us react to on the channel, man, just drop them things down in the comments. But look, man, don't forget, hit that like button.
Subscribe to the channel. But look, man, we catch you on the next video.